It's Thursday, December 19th, 2024. It's 9:05 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. Keeping my eye on this PBM, popped into the top five, fifth highest gainer, up about 170%. It does have positive news, some sort of licensing agreement with another company, I believe. High of day is 424 on this last candle right here. Moved up pretty quickly once this news came out just minutes ago. I'll keep an eye on things and I'll return. I have an order in and I am in the trade of PBM. I am in at 434 with 50 shares. Of course, it always likes to pull back right after I enter. See if we can get some buyers back in here. Bring this thing back up a little bit. Buyers coming back in. I'm going to let it breathe as long as the buyers are interested. Nice push. Another nice push. And I am out. Let's go over and see how we did. All right, $5.49, 2% gain on that trade. I was in this just under 3 minutes. In at 434, out at 445 with 50 shares. I got in on this candle right here and out on this candle here. And as you can see, since I have exited on this candle, it has kind of struggled and pulled back, trying to come back to life at the moment. But I think I got out at a good time. So I'll take a $5 bill, a green trade. It all adds up at the end of the month. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.